Hi, I'm Sarah. I'll demonstrate how you can get started with our lesson library. Start by going to our website, education.minecraft.net. In the Class Resources menu, click Find a Lesson. You can see we offer 6 subject kits. Each of these offers a package of lessons, downloadable worlds, and other resources to help teachers new to Minecraft engage students. If you don't see what you're looking for in the subject kits, scroll down and search all lessons. We offer over 500 free lessons across ages and subjects. Below that, you can see our featured lessons. These are recent additions to our lesson library. Each lesson offers curriculum standards, a discussion guide, and a downloadable Minecraft world. These pre-constructed worlds allow teachers to form their lessons without having to be a Minecraft expert. We even have a community of Minecraft mentors that offer support to other educators. So go ahead and find a lesson. It's easy to do, and it'll bring your classroom to life.